So we're talking about how to clone yourself in a film. This could be for the purposes of some cheesy plot in an 80s movie or comic relief. Either way, it's just another tool to add to your Adobe toolkit and find creative ways to use it. So that's what we're talking about today. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to pull some of this off. Okay, so the first thing you want to notice is the set. I've got everything laid out. I've cleaned and made everything look good. But then when you come over and take a look here, you notice that the camera is first off on a tripod. What is most critical is I don't care how many cuts you take or how it looks, you are not gonna move this tripod. Don't try and set it up one day to the next or switch it around. Whatever you do, when you commence filming, you leave that camera put, okay? Do not move it. The other thing you want to be aware of is when you're filming, you want to draw a line, some type of invisible barrier. So I'm going to choose like maybe that cabinet or somewhere right along in here, and I'm just going to pick that point for the purposes of filming, and I'm going to make sure that I do not cross that barrier when I'm trying to clone myself, okay? So pick that, act it out, and then I'll show you what it looks like in post. Okay guys, I apologize. I got an email I gotta respond to really fast. I'll be right with you. Caleb, back in your seat, man. While you're on your seat, you gotta sharpen your pencil. It's the third time today, man. Just take a seat, get to work. Yeah, just take a seat. Hey, Dusty, hands to yourself, man. No. You don't need to be touching his Chromebook. That's his Chromebook, leave it alone, all right? Hey, thanks for doing that.